Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are good. Today I will show you the tutorial of this look. Let's start. So guys, first I'm doing the eyes. सबसे पहले मैंने एक darker shade उठाया आई शेडो पैलेट से. Then I'm applying on the outer corner and blending it properly. Now I'm building up the color. Blending is the key of good eye makeup. After blending the eyeshadow, now I'm applying the shimmer shade at the center of the eyelid. Now I'm applying the shimmer with the finger for the good effect. Already I've done this again. The darker material to hide the dark circles or any dark area. Now applying the foundation and blending it properly for the flawless base. After blending the foundation, now I'm setting the base with the loose powder, applying on under eye and then whole face. After setting the face with the loose powder, now I will use only a powder products like powder contour, powder blush. So now I'm using a powder contour. Applying the contour for giving the dimensions to the face. After contouring, now I'm applying the highlighter. Look at the glow, wow, I'm using the Sugar Cosmetics highlighter. After applying the highlighter, coming back to the eyes, filling up her eyebrows. Look at her eyebrows, wow. Her eyebrows, now I have completed my whole look. I have changed the color. Look at her eyes, wow, कितनी अच्छी लग रही है eyes. This is her final look. Hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bookings are open. Kindly DM on Instagram. Thank you for watching.